friends! Today, we're drawing and coloring a super cute dancer duck doing ballet with a tutu and stars around. Let's get started and make it shine with colors.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a big circle for the head.
Wow!
Then, I draw the dancer's dress on the body side. Next, I add the eyes, beak, and mouth. Whee! Now, I draw the legs with shoes.
Yeah!
Then, I add 2 cute wings. Finally, I draw some shiny stars around the duck.
Woo!
Time to color. I use orange for the mouth.
Oh, yeah!
Then I color the beak and stars red.
Okay.
I use light blue for the whole body.
Wow!
Ducks can sleep with one eye open. They shut down half of their brain to rest, while keeping the other half awake to watch for danger.
Wow.
Next, I add pink to the sweater.
Okay.
Then I use yellow for the tutu and some stars.
Wow.
Finally, I color the shoes and stars blue. Yay! Our sparkling dancing duck is ready! If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and colorful drawings. See you in the next video!